New Brics members will send shockwaves around the world. Get ready for a game-changing moment on the global stage. The Brics Summit of 2023 is set to ignite a wave of transformation. Led by President Cyril Ramaphosa, Brics leaders are poised to unveil an expansion that will reshape the course of international collaboration. With new members joining their ranks such as Ethiopia and Argentina, this alliance gains fresh perspectives and unlocks untapped potential. However, as the world turns its gaze to the Brics Summit, one question emerges. Will this momentous gathering become the catalyst for unprecedented global transformation? Join us as we witness the birth of a new era and explore the ripple effects this alliance will have on the world stage. Hi! You've reached Finance Sense, the place where we discuss all the most recent trends in the financial markets and the economy. But before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. Now, without further ado, let's head on to the video. The highly awaited Brics Summit of 2023 is rapidly approaching, scheduled from the 22nd to the 24th of August in the dynamic city of Johannesburg. President Cyril Ramaphosa of South Africa actively engages in discussions and meticulous planning with other Brics leaders, leaving no stone unturned to ensure a flawlessly executed event. Brics is on the verge of an expansion that promises to surpass expectations this August, with Ethiopia at the forefront. This extraordinary nation is making remarkable strides, experiencing exponential growth rates in its economy, among the highest on the entire African continent. Additionally, Ethiopia's status as the second most populous nation further solidifies its position as an influential force that cannot be disregarded. The country also spearheads the AfCFTA Free Trade Agreement, a movement aimed at fostering unity throughout Africa, with the exception of neighboring Eritrea. Collectively, they have achieved an astonishing feat, eliminating a staggering 96% of trade tariffs across the continent. The implications are profound, fostering the smooth integration of diverse African goods for production, resale, and even international exportation. This initiative effectively creates an expansive marketplace that spans the entire African continent, igniting a realm of endless possibilities. The transformation of numerous government-owned properties into private ownership, or their imminent transition to private enterprises, signals the emergence of a transformative chapter filled with countless opportunities. However, the most exciting prospect of all lies ahead. Ethiopia stands on the precipice of a significant leap forward as it prepares to open up its financial sector, unlocking a multitude of unexplored doors of opportunity. Ethiopia is undergoing tremendous changes, but the government is strictly checking some industries, including telecommunications, banking, insurance, air and land transportation, and retail. They have been given a high priority, and their status appears to continue indefinitely. However, there is even more to anticipate in the future. Ethiopia contemplates introducing changes to these specific sectors. As the government closely observes its progress, one can only imagine the surprising transformations that might transpire. It is as if a gateway is being opened to a realm of boundless possibilities, beckoning us to explore uncharted territories. Meanwhile, Argentina, a nation with a robust and developing economy ranked at number 23 globally, made a fascinating revelation last year. They formally stated their endorsement of joining the distinguished group recognized for its remarkable status as an emerging market, presenting a compelling alternative to the Western world. Argentina is well positioned to make a name for itself on an international scale. Beyond Ethiopia and Argentina, many countries are eager to join the Brics alliance. The Brics bloc, consisting of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is on the verge of a substantial expansion. Russian Deputy Foreign Minister Sergei Ryabkov disclosed that nearly 20 countries are eagerly vying to become part of this esteemed group. Furthermore, Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and South African President Cyril Ramaphosa had a very productive conversation during a historic summit that took place in Geneva. In addition to this, the government of Bangladesh has applied to join the Brics group. This unequivocally signifies the mounting interest and enthusiasm. Still, there's more. The Russian ambassador to Egypt, Georgy Borisenko, recently told a select group of reporters that Cairo had formally expressed interest in joining the Brics nations. Egypt seeks BRICS membership driven by a strong aspiration for de-dollarization. Moreover, as reported by Japan's Mainichi Shimbun, Iran and Argentina are also set to join BRICS. Furthermore, countries with large oil reserves including Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, and Nigeria are ready to join. If their proposals are approved, the BRICS nations will have control over more than half of the world's gas and oil reserves. After meeting with Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva a little over a month ago, the president of Venezuela, Nicolás Maduro, engaged in a candid and open discussion with reporters gathered. He stated that the BRICS countries have emerged as a beacon of hope for people who seek world peace and joint progress. It should not come as a surprise that countries from all over the world are eager to become members of this remarkable alliance. This is a revolution unlike any other. Looking at the motivations why nations are so keen to join BRICS, we have to examine what BRICS is all about. BRICS holds immense significance for countries experiencing growth and development, acting as a powerful force that champions collaboration, teamwork, and mutual advancement. Its mission revolves around transforming the global governance landscape, ensuring that the voices of all nations are heard and respected. This influential alliance not only brings forth positivity and stability, but also takes concrete actions to drive positive change and improve conditions worldwide. On the other hand, South Africa has accepted the respected duty of the BRICS rotating presidency for the year 2023, putting the country at the center of attention as all eyes are focused on the exciting 15th summit that will be hosted by this captivating nation. Dmitry Peskov, the charming Russian government spokesman, recently gave an intriguing interview in which he revealed some startling information. The expansion of BRICS membership will undoubtedly emerge as the hottest topic of discussion at the forthcoming summit in August. This sentiment is also attested by Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning, ensuring the group's commitment to welcoming new partners who share their vision and aspirations. With unity and collaboration at its core, BRICS remains steadfast in its determination to effect transformative changes on a global scale. Russia's pride and happiness are discernible as many countries from every corner of the world express their interest in joining both the BRICS and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The charm and influence exuded by BRICS have proved irresistible, with nations drawn to the prospect of active participation in shaping international affairs. It is as if the member countries of BRICS are at the forefront, leading the way by setting exemplary standards and highlighting successful collaboration. The allure of BRICS continues to grow as its remarkable presence continues to inspire and invigorate the global community, captivating nations and individuals alike with the promise of an extraordinary future. Thank you for watching this far. Please leave a like, subscribe to help us expand our future audience, and comment down your thoughts in the comments section. This is Finance Sense, helping you keep up with all the latest trends in the financial markets and the economy. Stay safe and look out for the next video.